Messer Wat is a spicy red lentil stew that is a staple in Ethiopian cuisine. It's made by simmering red lentils with onions, garlic, and a blend of Ethiopian spices. Wat is a common term in Ethiopian cuisine, referring to a spicy stew or curry-like dish, typically made with meats, lentils, or vegetables. Today, we'll be making a plant-forward version of this beloved dish. First, let's take a look at some of the key ingredients. Here we have red lentils, makulaya sauté spice mix, and berbere spice blend. First, let's prepare the lentils. Rinse the lentils in hot water until the water runs clear. Transfer to a bowl, cover with cold water, and let soak for 20 minutes. Drain well. Set aside. In a large pot, add some olive oil and some shallots or onion. Give this a stir. Cook covered until the shallots are starting to soften, about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in some water, cover, and cook until the water evaporates, about 5 minutes. Add some more water and cook, uncovered and stirring often until the shallots are soft and translucent, about 5 to 10 minutes more. Stir in some berbere and cook, stirring until it looks like a thick paste, about 1 minute. Berbere is renowned for its bold flavor and layered heat. Combining aromatic spices like cardamom, coriander, and fenugreek with chili peppers, garlic, and ginger, berbere delivers a unique balance of warmth, earthiness, and a touch of sweetness. If you can't find it, you can substitute hot chili powder. Stir in the makulaya spice blend and cook, stirring for 1 minute. A makulaya spice blend is commonly added after cooking the berbere and used as a thickening agent for Wat dishes to create a rich base for the sauce. Typically, it includes nigella seeds, bishop's weed, Ethiopian cardamom, garlic, and ginger. If you can't find this, you can combine equal parts cardamom and fenugreek. Stir in garlic and cook, stirring for 1 minute. If the sauce is too dry, add additional warm water, a quarter cup at a time. Stir in the lentils. Thoroughly stir and coat with the spices and cook for about 2 minutes. Pour in the remaining cups of warm water and bring to a simmer. Cook, stirring frequently until the lentils are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir in some mekelasha finishing spice mix. It is an Ethiopian culinary tradition to sprinkle it in at the final stage of stew preparation to ignite the flavors and give off an appetizing aroma. If you don't have mekelasha, you can use equal parts ground black pepper and cinnamon. Add salt and pepper and give this a stir. Now we're ready to plate. The red lentils get plenty of heat from the berbere spice blend. You can balance the heat by stirring in some fresh chopped tomatoes before serving if desired. Serve with the popular Ethiopian flatbread injera. You can make this dish ahead of time. Refrigerate it for up to 3 days or freeze it for up to 3 months. Messer Wat can be served as a standalone dish or as part of a bianettu, an assortment of small stews and dishes served on a spongy sourdough flatbread called injera.